We are at the Lady Luck Hotel and Casino in Black Hawk, Colorado. We are on the 12th floor, 1253 to be exact. Elevators are that way. So we are in a king pet-friendly room. So we're gonna walk in. Oh, did he leave? So we brought Rags. Hi, Rags. Walk in, there is a closet with a safe, iron board, iron. This looks like this could have been an adjoining room at one point, huh? TV. Bed. King size bed. Lamps. Some seating areas. It's a little dark in here. Here is coffee and water. And here's the bathroom. Pretty nice. A lot of storage. New toiletries. Hair dryer. Hi. And it's got these hardwood floors through a tile over here and then hardwood floors through the rest. And this is these double doors that close. I'm not a real big fan of them. Can't really see the view, but it looks like we have a mountainside view. You can see the snow. It snowed pretty heavily here yesterday. The window's open 4 inches.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
So this is the Lady Luck in Black Hawk. We are in a king pet-friendly room, which we paid a little more for. But to add the pet on was a little less than booking him at PetSmart. Thanks for watching.